Can I take you back to the day we met, when I started on my words, and I know that made you laugh, and the way you flicked your hair, and I saw the smile you had. Yeah, I know there's something, no, there's something about you. You've been gone a while, I'm like, where you been? Just split with another man, isn't that like number 10? You say you're feeling alone, and now you need a friend. And no, there's something, no, there's something about you. There's something about you. There's something about you. If you got a moment to spare, I've got something to say. I'm waiting. I'm usually impatient, but girl, I'd be happy to wait. I'm waiting. I'm losing sleep over dreaming of you, as if it ain't me.
Wow.
Well, the truth, well, it hurts to say. I'm gonna pack up my bag and I'm gonna go away. I'm gonna split, I can't stand it. I'm gonna give it up and quit and ain't never coming back. But before I get to going, I got to say, I know you used to love me, but that was yesterday. And the truth, I won't fight it. When the love starts burning, you got to do what's right. Oh, lover, 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 you don't treat me no good no more. Whoa, whoa, lover, 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 you don't treat me no good no more. Well, the truth. Go away, I'm gonna split. I can't stand it. I'm gonna give it up and quit and ain't never coming back. But before I get to going, I got to say, I know you used to love me,